Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App. First, open the FanDuel app on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap your account balance in the top right corner. This will take you to the account section. Now, tap on the option that says Withdraw Funds. On the withdrawal page, you will be asked to choose a withdrawal method. For this example, choose Online Banking. On the next screen, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then, select the bank account you want to send the money to. Make sure this is the same bank account that is already linked with your Cash App. Log in to your online banking account to complete the withdrawal process. Tap the Withdraw button at the bottom of the screen. Once the funds have been sent to your bank account, open your Cash App. Before continuing, double-check that your Cash App is connected to the same bank account you used on FanDuel. Now, tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner of the Cash App screen. This will take you to the banking section. From here, tap on Add Cash. A pop-up will appear. You can either choose a preset amount or tap the three-dot icon to enter your own amount. After entering the amount, tap Add Cash at the bottom. Then enter your Cash App PIN to confirm the transaction. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.